Hi guys, welcome to the challenge Create Your Own Website in Just 5 Days. This is to encourage you to get it done. A website is one of the most important parts of your marketing and overall success of your business, and after just 5 days you will have your own fully functioning website which will enable you to showcase your nursery or any other business. The best part is you don't need any experience in web design or web developing. You will learn it all on this challenge. I help people open their own nursery, and usually my advice is focused on that. However, this time we'll be creating a website, and this can be used for any business you wish to start up. You will start on day one, where you will start preparing for your website. You will create your brand name. If you already have your brand name, you will learn techniques to make a brand name even better and ways to make it more suitable. You will then choose your domain name, seeing whether it is suitable, available, and making sure you follow my domain name rules to help make your website better. On day 2, you will start creating a website. You will register your domain name, sign up with hosting, and learn how to use a website builder. On day 3, you will then start your website design, creating or adding your logo, creating your menus, headers, footers, learning some website design tips, and installing some key plugins that we will be using on the next 2 days. On day 4, you will start adding pages. Starting with your homepage, you will learn how to successfully design a homepage and or landing page, which is both user-friendly and search engine friendly. You will create other pages like your contact page, about page, and gallery, and install associated plugins to make those pages better. By day 5, you should have a fully functioning website. You will then just work on making it better and learn some things you should be doing going forward. You will learn some additional design tips. You will learn my 5 favorite and most used plugins, and you will learn how and why you should create a blog. Plus get extra tips like how to change a domain name and how to use multiple domain names for the same website. If you want to get started creating a website, click the link below to register for the challenge, and in just 5 days, your website will be launched and ready.